Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. In today's video, I'm participating in the collab What Makes Me Happy, hosted by the Heaven's Pearls, a faith-based collaboration group. Members include DIY Design by CCW, Me, Myself, and DIYing It, Love is the Main Key, Jazzy Green Decor Style, and Levels of Style with Sandra. Please head over to their channel and show these ladies your support. The rules for this collab was to style any areas in your home or create a DIY video of whatever brings you joy. In my video, you will see I styled a tablescape in the outdoor in my patio. I enjoy the natural air and light, but most importantly, what makes me happy is creating a tablescapes and enjoying it with the people I love with family dinners. Thanks for watching. Please continue with the video and I hope you enjoy it. If you are not already a member of my channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell for future videos. Again, thank you and stay blessed.